Every year, on the dinner table at my house, there is always this fried small fish. When frying fish, do you use flour or starch? Many people do not know. Today, I will teach you the correct way to make your fried small fish crispy and not soft. First, prepare a small fish costing 5 yuan per catty. This kind of fish is usually cleaned by the seller, who removes the internal organs and scales. Pour in some water and clean the internal organs and blood in the stomach. Peel off any remaining fish scales. Wash the fish 2 to 3 times with water and place them in another bowl for later use. Next, prepare a green onion and cut it into sections. Cut a small piece of ginger into thin slices, then into thin strips. Add the ginger and green onion to the small fish. Season with 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder. Wear disposable gloves and mix everything well. Marinate the fish for 20 minutes. After marinating, pick out the fish one by one and clean off any impurities. Place the fish in another bowl. Add an egg yolk. This will make the fish's color more beautiful. Mix well with your hands so that each fish is evenly coated with egg yolk. Prepare a small bowl to make the crispy coating. Put a spoonful of flour and a spoonful of cornstarch in the bowl, then mix well. Sprinkle this mixture over the fish and mix thoroughly. If the mixture is a little dry, you can add a small amount of water. Keep mixing until the coating resembles a thick paste, as shown in the video. Make sure each fish is covered with a thin layer of crispy coating. Heat the oil in a pan until it is 60 degrees hot. Carefully place the fish into the oil one by one. Dear friends, the video is almost over. The main page already has more than 100 home-cooked food tutorials. If you haven't given your like and subscribe yet, please click on the video. Thank you very much. When you place the fish in the oil, don't touch them immediately. Let them set for a minute. After frying for a minute, use chopsticks to gently turn the fish to ensure they cook evenly. Increase the heat to high and continue frying for about 8 to 10 minutes. Fry until the surface of the fish is golden brown and crispy. Once done, remove the fish from the oil and place them on a plate. This simple and delicious fried fish is ready. The color is beautifully golden yellow. The fish tastes fragrant and crispy, and it won't become soft even when it's cold. The texture is tender on the inside and crispy on the outside. It's very enjoyable to eat one by one, and the recipe is simple to make. Try it at home if you like.